Welcome at WAM Air and Compressors. Today we're going to show you with this machine how we cut and thread half-inch pipes. We can cut and thread from half-inch to 4-inch pipes. We cut for the general public, we cut for hardware shops, and we cut for plumbers. Edward is going to show us how he cuts and threads the half-inch pipe. After that, I'll come back to you again. Thank you. As you can see, the cut and the threading was perfect. We also do air installations and compressor installations. We have experience in thousands and thousands of meters of pipe that were already put in by companies. Feel free to contact us, the contact details will follow. And thank you for watching the video. Go like us on Facebook.